Are you ready?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, Miss Iris and everyone. We are from Group 7, won the final project of the PES course. Before introducing me, Alifin Agustin, NPM 2309, and my friend.
My name is Farshida Octaviani. My NPM is 311.
And Erika Agustina, NPM 2310.
My name is Cindy Mesharo, NPM 2312.
Welcome to watch this video.
Good morning, with me Alfian Agustin as HRD in manufacturing company. Please start with you. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Farshida Octaviani, Suliko Pakta. I'm fresh graduate from Pakuan University, Geology Management. I also participate in organization on my campus. I happen to be the secretary and treasurer of the work program. With an educational background in management, I currently have the desire to develop management skills in the professional sphere.
What is your greatest strength?
Many experiences have become my strengths. With my ability to apply for this position, I want to learn more.
What is your greatest weakness?
My weakness is a little lack of self-confidence and it's hard to give opinions to other people. But I want to get rid of it all and become better.
Why so?
Because I have the responsible teamwork, time management, and job for this position, I also have the skills and experience that I had during my university studies.
What are your salary expectations?
These are the results of my research and several skills that I have. The salary I want is 6 million and is very low according to how I work.
Why do you want this job?
Because I have skills in the position and I want to further develop the skills I have.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
Pampering myself includes buying food and drinks that I like, shopping and refreshing my mind. That way I'm stressed it won't take long for me to return to my normal activities.
Next. Tell me about yourself.
Before I say thank you for giving me the opportunity to take part in today's interview session, introducing me as Christina and I'm currently 20 years old and domiciliary in Bogor City. I graduated from SMK PGRI 1, majoring in office administration. My current activity is an active student in semester 4 with a management major at Pakuan University. I have participated in 5 work parties at the Sperida. Besides that, I have also done an entrepreneurship project.
Okay. What is your greatest strength?
Well, thank you for the question. Related to my strength, one of my strengths is that I am able to manage my time well and I am used to prioritizing which work should come first. In addition, I solve problems by looking at other point of view and certain situations so that I can find the best solution.
What is your
weakness?
My weakness is that I get nervous when speaking in public. I realize that public speaking is very important for the job I am applying for. So I keep trying to improve my communication skill by watching YouTube video and taking public speaking class.
Why should we hire you?
Might choose me over other candidate because I can adapt to the tech segment so that I can easily learn more about the job tasks that I have to do. And when there is a new task that is beyond my capabilities, I take it as challenge that I must complete to make a better contribution.
What are your salary expectations?
Thank you for the question. Related to the salary, of course, I expect a salary that is in accordance with my performance and the skill I have. After doing market research related to the position and considering is the salary range I expect is 5 million to 10 million. I hope you can consider it.
Why do you want this job?
I am interested in working for this company because I admire the company's value. I see this position as an opportunity to grow professionally.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
Thank you for the question. When facing stress and pressure, I always make sure to get enough rest. I realize that the taking a short break can be very helpful to refresh my mind and improve my concentration.
Next.
Tell me about yourself. My name is Dina Shano, graduate of MA Sahid in 2022 and currently studying S1 Management at Pakuan University. I'm interested in marketing and administration and I was active in studying organizations such as OSIS and OSPI during high school.
What are your greatest strengths?
I have good communication skill and I'm sociable. I have computer knowledge, can operate Microsoft Office and have editing skill and I have good time management skill.
What is your biggest weakness?
I'm forgetful but I overcome it by taking notes of important things and missing reminder on my phone.
Why should we hire you?
Because I have a combination of technical skill, communication ability, and organizational experience, as well as a strong willingness to learn.
What are your salary expectations?
I'm open to discussing a salary that is in line with company policy and my capability, and I'm looking for a salary that reflects the responsibility and of this position and my experience and is in line with industry standard.
Why do you want this job?
I see great opportunity for career and skill development in this company, especially with the intensive employee training program.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
When faced with stress, I stay calm and organized by making to-do lists and using relaxation techniques such as doing breathing and taking short walks. Next, Olivia Nur Agustin,
Yeah.
tell me about yourself.
Well, thank you for the question. Allow me to answer your questions. Introducing, I'm Olivia Agustin, usually called Tia. Currently, I'm fourth semester student in the management department of the Faculty of Economics and Business, Pakuan University. During college, I was not very active in organization or activities, but I have attended seminars and training. There are several projects that I have worked on. Now, with the lack of experience and skills that I have developed, I'm interested in starting a new journey with the position of administrative assistant.
What is your biggest strength?
Well, thank you for your question. One of my strengths is that I have good time management. I'm used to prioritizing which work comes first and which can be done later.
What is your weakness?
Well, thank you for your questions. My weakness is that I'm someone who sometimes forgets, but to minimize this, I always have notes so that in the future nothing is forgotten, especially regarding my responsibilities at work.
What shall we hear you?
When I was in college, I was a secretary where I was assigned to organize various class assignments to become a bridge of information to friends. From this experience, I learned administrative and communication skills where the combination of the two could be the reason why I should be stay in this position.
What are your salary expectations?
Thank you for your questions. From the result of the research, I propose compensation in the range of 8 to 10 million. I hope you will consider it.
Why are you leaving or have left your job?
Well, thank you for the questions. The reason I resigned in the previous company was that I want to have career development and wider experience. So my future goal is to be able to have a big responsibility in the hope of getting new knowledge and skills again.
Okay. What do you want this job?
Well, thank you for your questions. Before I apply to this company, I have read the requirements and job description listed on the job vacancy page, which contains of the two things which my abilities and passion, so that I'm interested in applying for this position.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
I manage stress and pressure by approaching tasks methodically, prioritizing effectively, and breaking down complex projects into more manageable steps, and maintain open communication with my team.
Well, thank you everyone. For the next step, we will notify by email. Good luck.
Thank you. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum.